Hi, and welcome to this video where I'll show you how to use REST Dispatch. First of all, you have to use the path annotation of JAX-RS, and also you have to specify the path. What we usually do is create a class which contains the path, which will be used both on the client side and the server side. Next, we use the get annotation and then the put annotation to specify which request will be represented by these methods. Next, we use a REST action. So it tells that it will be a REST call that will receive a collection of candidate result in that case. So it's an open source project. You can look at the URL in the description. When we want to use it on the client side, we go and see how it's used. What we have is a dispatch.execute. So dispatch is a REST dispatch object which is in QTP, and then we execute that request. So we call the admin service and the function so that we'll make the HTTP call, and then we define the callback. So we have an admin REST callback in that case, which is simply an extension of the REST callback EMPL, which is itself a REST callback. So you can see all that code on GitHub, but essentially we have a REST callback interface defined in QTP that you can use. And then we define what unsuccess looks like. So we receive the collection, and then we can do, for example, another dispatch, so another request, or we can do something else that we want. For example, set in a view a current state or something like that. And on the server side, what it looks like, it's simply the same thing. So we have, for example, the get annotation and the path with the same path that was defined in a common class, and then we return the response.ok with a service that we call on the server side. So you see that it's pretty straightforward and easy to use REST dispatch to make a call and to use the same thing on the server and client side. So yeah, hope you liked it. You can look at the complete code on GitHub to see how it's defined. Thanks.